Hey guys, if you're struggling between solid hardwood flooring or engineered flooring, don't worry, you're in the right place. Hey guys, my name's Albert. I'm the owner of Titan Flooring located here in Mississauga, Ontario. And I'm going to tell you guys why you might want to choose solid hardwood or engineered hardwood for your next flooring project. First up is solid hardwood. Solid hardwood actually dates back to the late 1800s to the 1900s, back in the Industrial Revolution. So you can actually say it's the OG of flooring. Solid hardwood is literally cut out from a piece of a tree. It is a single solid piece shaped and formed so that it is in the right dimensions for flooring. Whether you're going for the modern minimalism look or a rustic farmhouse feel, solid hardwood would deliver on that. Next, let's see why solid hardwood is right for your home. First reason is longevity. Hardwood flooring can be refinished time and time again, meaning it'll last you literally a lifetime. Without having to replace the material itself, you can change the color, change the look, so that you can save on that front. The second option is its timeless appeal. It can be sleek, bold, modern, light, dark. Any color and style to match your lifestyle and your furniture. And on top of that, solid hardwood has different species, different widths and lengths, different installation styles such as herringbone, chevron, or just a standard straight style. So in that sense, customization is a huge plus of solid hardwood. Here's something to keep in mind. Solid hardwood is great for places like living room, the dining room, your bedrooms, anywhere that is above ground and has very low moisture content. Solid hardwood can contract and expand based on the temperature and moisture content in the air. Here in Mississauga, we have really low moisture cold weather and really high moisture humidity summers, which means when you're maintaining solid hardwood flooring, you have to keep these in mind to really increase the longevity of this type of floor. The key here is keeping your indoor environment consistent. If your choice is to go with solid hardwood, be prepared to control the humidity levels in your home. So next up, let's talk about engineered flooring. Engineered flooring is basically the cool, more modern second cousin of hardwood flooring. Basically, its construction is made up of different layers of wood pressed together with a solid wood veneer on top. Which leads me to my first point. It is stable. Because of the different interlaced layers of plywood, it is actually restricting movement so that it doesn't change with moisture over time. Second thing is it's versatile. Just like solid hardwood, it comes in different species, sizes, colors, finishes to achieve any look that you might want for your home. And then lastly, it has flexible installation styles and different thicknesses from 1/2 inch to 3/4. With that benefit, it can be installed as a click flooring where solid hardwood cannot. Why would you pick engineered flooring for your next project? Engineered flooring is great for areas that have different changing moistures, from the basement to your kitchen or washroom. So you might be asking, is solid hardwood right for me or is engineered hardwood right for me? Well, I would say if you're going for solid hardwood, you plan on staying in your home for a very long time, because solid hardwood can be refinished over and over again so that you can achieve multiple different looks without breaking the bank in the future. However, you do have to pay more close attention to the moisture and temperature in your home, but that shouldn't be an issue with all the smart thermostats out nowadays. If you plan on going for engineered hardwood is great if you want that wide plank modern look and the assurance that the moisture changes won't affect your flooring over time. Now, do note that engineered flooring has a limitation where it can't be refinished over and over again like solid hardwood can. However, both types of flooring are very versatile and have a beautiful, authentic, natural look to it. Either flooring will increase the beauty of your home and the overall sellability, as they do tend to increase the value as well. Which type of flooring do you think would be right for you?